If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video. Hi, myself Shreyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Today we are going to learn something about Microsoft Word. So, what is Microsoft Word? For what we use it? So, Microsoft Word, also called MS Word, is word processing program which allows you to create, edit and save personal and professional documents such as letters, reports, invoice, email books, brochures and even students' homework assignment. It is saved with .docx extension. With the help of MS Word, we can create all type of official documents, resumes, notes, newsletter, birthday card and many other documents. And for that, we can use template function in Microsoft. We can send email by using mail merge, which help us to send one document to thousands of people with names and addresses. Highlighting the skill as having basic and advanced knowledge of MS Word increase the weightage of your resume and help you to go a long way in your career. So keep watching my tutorial video of MS Word and learn MS Word well. And trust me, it will definitely help you in your workplace. Okay, so let's move ahead with the basic structure of MS Word document. First is title bar, quick access toolbar, this is the tabs, ribbon, groups. You must knowing that every tab has their certain groups. We will learn this in our upcoming videos. Okay? You will see the arrow mark. This arrow mark is used to minimize the ribbon. Dialog button, the ruler, insertion point, navigation plane, document window, scroller bar, status bar, view, zoom bar. Okay, I will repeat this again in my next section to make the things more clear. Let's move to our next section. That is how to create new file. So now we are going to create a new file. So for that, click Start, Word, here we have the option. You can select a blank document or the templates. At this moment, we are going to select blank document. So here is the actual Word document. You can see the title bar, the tabs, the ribbons, the groups, the small arrow. You can see we have minimized the ribbon. Again, just click on it. You will see the small arrow. You will see the tabs has certain groups. As I said, I will cover this in my upcoming lectures. Okay, you can see the navigation plane, the main document, the flashing insertion point. See, one thing I want to tell you, this navigation plane we can disable also just by clicking this or here. Now we want, if we don't want, we can remove this like this. Okay, at this moment we don't want, so I just removed it. Okay, so this is the main document area where we are going to type our text, and you will see this flashing vertical bar, which is called insertion point. It represents the location where the text will appear when you type. Okay, so just start typing. So here I have entered my text. Okay, what I will do, I will keep my cursor here. Okay, now whatever I type, it came here. Why? Because as I said, it represents the location where the text will appear. Now my insertion point is here, so my text is appearing here. So I just delete it and keep my cursor here. You must have noticed that text appear to the left of the insertion point. Okay. This is a status bar. See, you will see we are on page number 1. 8 words are there. What I will do, I will delete this. Now 7 words are there. I will just enter space. You will see the count increases. Okay, this is our view and this is zoom area. Fine. So now we are going to a point to save the file. For that what we have to do? Click here, file, then save, select the destination, that is I am going to save my file on desktop, so I have selected, enter the name, and just hit save button. Now you have saved your file. You have created your first Word document. You just check. Here is my file. It is saved with the name of new Word document. Fine. So this is how we have created our new file. Fine. You will see the title bar is replaced with the name of the document, that is new Word document. Fine. So this is how we have saved our file and created a new file. I hope you have understood this topic. In case of any doubt, just write in comment box. If you liked my video, just hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Alokik the Learning Space. Thank you.